Okay, class 10. Now today we are going to solve exercise 13.1. We already have started 13.1. So question number 1 and question number 2 we already have done. Now we will start from question number 3 today. So in question number 3, exercise 13.1. Exercise 13.1, question number 3. In question number 3, the question is a toy is in the form of cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on hemisphere. So toy is in the form of cone. It is mounted on hemisphere. First we have to draw hemisphere. It is hemisphere. Now on the hemisphere there is a cone. On the hemisphere there is a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter. So radius of cone is 3.5 centimeter. Mounted on hemisphere of same radius means the radius of hemisphere is also 3.5 centimeter. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Now total height is 15.5. This is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. For calculating the total surface area, we have to add the curved surface area of hemisphere and curved surface area of cone. We have to add curved surface area hemisphere and the curved surface area of the cone. We know that the curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square and the curved surface area of cone is pi r l. So here L is not given. Now first we must calculate. We have to calculate the height of cone. Height of cone. So it is given that the total height of the cone is 15.5 centimeter. Now radius of hemisphere is 3.5. So this is the radius of cone. Now radius of hemisphere, this portion is 3.5 centimeter. Now first we will calculate the height of conical portion. So radius is given. Radius r equals to 3.5 centimeter. Now total height of the toy. Total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Now we can calculate the height of conical portion. Height of cone. Height of cone, it is represented by h equals to, now the total height is 15.5 centimeter. If you subtract 3.5 from the 15.5, you will get h only. If you subtract 3.5 centimeter from 15.5, so total is 15.5. Now subtract 3.5 from 15.5, you will get only this portion. So this is the height of the cone. This is the height of the cone. So 15.5 minus 3.5 centimeter, you will get 12 centimeter. It is 12 centimeter. Now calculate slant height first. Now slant height L equals to, what is the formula of slant height? It is root under h square plus r square. H square plus r square. This equals to root under h square is 12 square. R square is 3.5 whole square. What is the square of 12? It is 144 plus, now square of 3.5 is 12.25. 3.5 into 3.5 is 12.25. Root under, it is 156.25. So 156, 15,625. Square root of 15,625 is 125. So 156.25 will be 12.5. So square root of 1562.5 is 12.5 centimeter. Now this is the slant height. Okay. Now we can calculate the total surface area of toy. Therefore, total surface area of toy is TSA. TSA means total surface area of toy equals to CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cone. So CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus CSA of cone is pi r l. So this equals to, now we can take common pi r. So pi r is here, now 2r plus l. Now put the value. What is the value of pi? It is 22/7. So 22 by 7 into what is the radius is 3.5. 2 into 3.5 plus L is 12.5 centimeter square. Now we can quote this 3.5 into 7 because 7 into 5 is 35. So 7 into 0.5 is 3.5. 717, 7 into 0.5. So 22 into 0.5, 0.5 means half. 22 into half is 11 into, now 2 into 3.5 is 7 because 35 into 2 is 70. So 7 plus 12.5 centimeter square. So this equals to 11 into 19.5 centimeter square. So multiply it, 19.5, 195, 591. So 5, 4, 9, 1, 10, 11, 214.5 is the answer. 214.5 centimeter square. So this is the question number 3. Now move to question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is a cubical block of side 7 centimeter. So cubical block of side 7 centimeter. Now 7 centimeter. All the edges are equal in cube, is surmounted by hemisphere. Now here it is hemisphere. It is hemisphere. Surmounted by hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have? So what is the greatest diameter of hemisphere can have? It is 7 centimeter because the side of cube is 7 centimeter. So side of cube is 7 means hemisphere. The diameter of hemisphere is also 7. Now find the surface area of the solid. We have to calculate the surface area of the solid. Now first it is given that side of cube, side of cubical block, sides of cubical block is x equals to 7 centimeter. Now diameter of hemisphere equals to, it is also 7. Now first we will calculate the radius of hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere, it is r equals to 7 by 2 centimeter. Now first, one of the face is covered by hemisphere. So out of 6 faces, one of the face is covered by hemisphere. How many faces are left after covering the face? So five faces are left. So therefore surface area of the solid will be surface area of solid equals to, so area of 5 face will be 5 into side square, 5x square plus CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square Now covered face, if you look on the covered face, you will look like this. So this is the area of 5 face. 5 face. So these face are uncovered. These face are uncovered. Uncovered face. So covered face is only one face. So in this face, you will be able to see these portions are uncovered. These portions are uncovered face. Now we have to calculate this uncovered face also. This portion is uncovered. Uncovered face. For uncovered face, so this is the square. Now we have to do area of square minus area of circle. You will get the area of uncovered part. So plus area of square is side square minus area of circle is pi r square. Now simplify it first. 5x square plus x square is 6x square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square, it is pi r square. Now put the value 6 into what is x, it is 7 into 7 plus pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 centimeter square. Now this is 6 into 49 plus 7 cot 2 1 2 2 11 22 11 7 77 divided by 2 centimeter square. So this equals to 6 into 50 is 300. 300 minus 6 is 294. So multiplication of 49 and 6 is 294 plus 77 by 2 centimeter square. Now take LCM. 2 is the LCM. Now 2 into 294 is 588 plus 77 centimeter square. So this will be 665, 665, 8715, 8715, 16. So 665 by 2 centimeter square. So this equals to 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. 332.5 centimeter square. This is the answer of question number 4. Okay, this much for today. Thank you.